Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll talk about a tricky problem that can occur in C++ programming. The problem we'll discuss revolves around using a temporary object to create an iterator and how it can lead to undefined behavior. It's a common issue that many developers may face without even realizing it, so it's essential to understand the potential pitfalls. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key to addressing this issue lies in preventing the iterator from being created with a temporary object. By adding a specific constructor to the myDataIterator class and deleting it, we can ensure that the compiler will flag any attempt to call this constructor with an error. This simple but effective strategy helps to catch the problematic scenario and avoid runtime bugs. In summary, by incorporating the deleted constructor myDataIterator, myDataStructure and equals delete, we can proactively prevent the creation of iterators with temporary objects and eliminate the risk of dangling references. This solution provides a straightforward way to avoid potential issues and improve the robustness of our code. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this discussion helpful in understanding how to address a common problem in C++ programming. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!